What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you this smart remote made by GoPro. Compatible with the Hero 7 Black. Has the control your GoPro remotely from distances up to 600 feet, 180 meters. With this wearable waterproof remote, enables simultaneous control of up to 50 GoPro cameras. Waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters. Includes smart remote, wrist wrap, attachment key, and ring USB cable charging. Compatible with Fusion, Hero 6 Black, Hero 5, Hero 4, Hero Session. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what exactly will we get in this. So it looks pretty cool. Has a little manual here, smart remote, long range remote control for your GoPro. And then here's the remote itself. Let's go ahead and get everything opened up here. Get your strap, little key ring, and then we have the unit right here. I'll take this for a spin, see how it all works. I've heard some really great things about this, and it's really light. Has a little matte finish on the sides, and basically you just record and hit the mode you want, and it's good to go. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. This was your GoPro Smart Remote. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. Have a wonderful day.